Fulham programmable drivers offer counter salespeople and contractors the ability to match and reproduce the specifications of a dead driver right at the sales counter or in the field by using our hand programmer. Simply put, Fulham offers one of the lighting industry's most user-friendly interfaces to address the problem of getting LED fixtures back into service in just a few easy steps. Let's take a look at the system. At the heart of the system is the programming tool. I am going to familiarize you with the buttons and display. The mode button can toggle the programmer between ISET, which is current expressed in milliamps, and VSET for voltage. All Fulham programmable drivers are constant current devices and need to be set into the ISET mode. The read button allows you to review your last setting. The program button sets the driver to the desired current, and the toggle button allows you to designate current up and down as needed. The programmer is powered via the included power cable with a USB end. Power can come from a battery pack and its companion charging cable for convenience and portability, or it can come from the included adapter that allows the device to run off a standard outlet. The current is set via the programming cable. The end that connects the driver has a unique pitchfork shape. The input for programming is designated as the RSET port. Both the programming cable and the RSET port have a polarity that must be matched in order to program properly. While Fulham 40 and 60 watt indoor drivers use inputs directly on the driver, our family of outdoor drivers use leads which need to be hardwired. This can be achieved by using the adapter tool as shown. You are now ready to program. First, you will have to identify the milliamp setting on the dead driver, and this can typically be found on the label. In this case, we will assume the dead driver was 440 milliamps. Take a blank driver off your shelf and plug it in as previously shown. Use the toggle button to dial up the current. By holding down the toggle, it will cause the current to jump up by 10 milliamps at a time for quicker setting. Once you have reached the desired setting, simply press the program button and your driver is set. You can always double check your work by pressing the read button and the display will flash the most recent setting. Fulham drivers are also reprogrammable as shown so that a driver that may have been returned to a distributor by one customer can be reprogrammed and used by another customer for no wasted product on your shelf. Finally, you will need to match the wattage of the Fulham driver to the wattage of the non-working fixture in the field. While you need to exactly match the milliamp setting to run the fixture in the field correctly, the wattage setting is more forgiving and can be assigned by assuming the higher wattage that might be correct. For example, Fulham makes 40 and 60 watt indoor drivers. If your customer suspects that the fixture in question was a 50 watt device, for example, but is not sure, then use a 60 watt driver and program it to the correct milliamp setting. Thank you for watching. For more information, either contact Fulham directly or your manufacturer's representative agent. Fulham is proud to introduce an exciting new emergency solution for our family of direct AC LED retrofit kit engines. That family of engines, which we call Vision, is a cost-efficient and reliable solution for wall sconces and ceiling luminaires. Available in a variety of power levels from 10 to 34 watts and a choice of round, linear, or rectangular formats to fit your application, these direct AC LED engines feature universal voltage from 120 to 277, very low flicker meeting the Title 24 requirements, smooth triac ELV dimming down to 10%, CRI up to 90 on a range of color temperatures, UL classified for field installation, and Energy Star listed. Until now, however, there has not been a compatible emergency solution for our direct AC engines. Fulham's new 6-watt emergency driver for AC engines solves that problem by providing the following benefits. It is designed to operate Fulham's complete offering of AC LED engines. It has universal input between 100 and 277 volts AC, universal output between 60 and 230 volts DC. This unique product has undervoltage protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection. It is UL classified for easy installation and meets CEC Title 20 requirements. To summarize, Fulham's 6-watt driver fills the void in EM solutions needed to power our very popular direct AC light engines. Fulham, the industry leader in the emergency battery backup product category, is now offering a total of 12 different types of emergency products for numerous applications. Included in the offering is the 2019 LED Magazine Sapphire Award winner Easy Exit T-Grid LED Emergency System. It's a cost-saving alternative to traditional emergency solutions. The Easy Exit solution is available in two different versions, the 2-foot FH-EZ10 A24 and the 4-foot FH-EZ17 A48. Input voltage for both versions is 120 to 277 volts AC, which includes an iCAD battery. These units are UL listed with CEC Title 20 certification, 90-minute code-compliant emergency operation with a 5-year warranty. The sleek, low-profile design of Easy Exit is changing the way the industry is thinking about emergency lighting. With the universal mounting, this allows for these linear LED strips to install quickly and fit seamlessly into multiple types of standard T-grid ceilings. These high-lumen EM products, 1300 max output for the 2-foot version and 2200 max output for the 4-foot version, are powered by the Fulham Constant Power EM driver and battery backup. The all-inclusive convenient package includes Easy Exit T-Grid Emergency Luminaire, Hotspot Constant Power Emergency Driver, 10-foot extension harness, lens and end caps, and all the necessary hardware for installation. Deciding on what emergency solution is best for a project can be difficult. Therefore, choosing the Easy Exit T-Grid, the industry's only linear EM luminaire, with its unobstructed look to maintain a building's sleek appearance, and the powerful lumen EM output, eliminates this time-consuming guesswork. With its 20 to 30-minute installation time compared to the 1 hour for a bug-eye EM, along with reducing the number of units needed, Easy Exit is the most economical EM solution compared to traditional options. To summarize, Easy Exit is an aesthetically pleasing, specification-grade or contractor-friendly, economical alternative for emergency lighting. Fulham is proud to introduce our new innovative emergency 25-watt inverter. The 25-watt inverter is compatible with nearly any fixture of any technology type, and it offers universal input and output from 120 to 277 volts AC. Many inverters in the market are 120 to 240 volts DC, which can lead to many compatibility issues with fixtures. It is UL listed with CEC Title 20 certification. The inverter can be used with luminaires from 25 watts to 150 watts by dimming the fixture and providing the 25 watts in emergency mode. It can also be used with fixtures ranging from 0 to 25 watts without using 0 to 10 volts. And the unit will power the fixture in its normal condition for 90 minutes or more. The inverter can also run multiple fixtures that add up to a system wattage of 150 watts, distributing out 25 watts of EM across all fixtures. The inverter has a 12-hour recharge time and offers undervoltage protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, along with being Bluetooth compatible and self-diagnostic. You can remote mount the inverter up to 164 feet away using 18-gauge wire. We also offer our standard 5-year warranty with this product. Please note, Per UL, the fixture should be rated for VDC input if using a competitor's high voltage DC output EM. If the fixture is not rated for DC input and a DC output EM is used, and if an emergency occurs, then the unit may fail to turn on, leading to possible liability for whomever specified and/or installed the product. Within our basic wiring diagram, you can see the inverter can be wired in conjunction with a wall dimmer or a motion sensor. You will, however, still need an unswitched leg to charge the unit. Our 25-watt inverter can be used in multiple ways. One way would be used with a single fixture as seen on the left. The second is with multiple fixtures daisy-chained together that, once again, uses the dimming capabilities of the fixtures, as in the example shown on the right. In this example, each fixture would get about 4 watts in emergency mode. With this ability, your customer could see a decrease in the number of inverters needed on any given job.